Videographer, I promote on Instagram at about, you know, I tell the artists that them to start get better quality video for their music video by booking him to do the work, all the videography and things. You see me I say? But me I tell the videographer they say, him for tell the artists them say, them for make sure say this the video not for way better than the song them. Because we see a lot of pretty clean music video, but none of the song them know as bad as my brother that we Cartel do with him son Little Vibes. You see me I say? And them song they were clean, the music video they clean and the song them bad feet. If your song not bad feet like that, then don't bother make no pretty ass music video. Make some trashy music video like trashy music video. You know what I'm saying? I sing him volleyball stage. Now you sing Jimmy Cliff. Jimmy Cliff. Yeah, cause you have what you know, you have the Ziggy Marley. See? When a man say, yo, give me a little Ziggy now, that means the littlest, a spliff, like this. See, this is a Ziggy. But a Bob is a big spliff, a big like this when I compare the two. This would be a Bob. Now a Jimmy Cliff would be the medium size. Jimmy Cliff would be like right here. I remember I said Jimmy Cliff bigger than Ziggy, you know. So Jamaicans, they use the length of a weed. Jamaicans use the length of a spliff to describe the success of our great musician and artist. You know, so you have Bob Marley with the big spliff. You have Ziggy Marley who is the smallest spliff. He's a spliff tail. See him? Ziggy Marley. Jimmy Cliff. You see the Jimmy Cliff, let me know Jimmy Cliff there. You know, it's a medium sized spliff that you get. Now, we're bringing in the new biggest spliff. It's called the Cartel spliff. I'm a roll one. I'm going to see if I can roll one phone there. This is the break, the intermission. So when you have the Bob Marley, see, you have the Jimmy Cliff, and you have the Ziggy spliff. See? The Cartel them a double whistle like I forgot. Try know that. Because I'm my biggest thing. See me, you see in both now a spliff, him not smoke. So all who in a music, like Cranium will love ball for respect and thing. If you don't smoke, you can't get smoke as respect. Remember, you know, Cartel say, we smoke weed till them call with the most high. Me have a video, me have a vlog I make on just that one line there. That one single line there. Because of the wickedest, the most lyrical line that ever in the history of music. The most dangerous lyrics. So me I tell you, Cartel a God long time, you know. The signs are there. Him smoke weed so till them call him the most high. And I no lie. Somebody call him the most high too. You see me? So I no joke thing, brother. That line there alone. No, there's no other lyrics in a music. I remember said that lyrics it start the song. So it's an opening statement or sentence, whatever you want to take it as. You see me? So it open the song. We smoke weed till them call me the most high. Nothing better than that. No other lyrics can test that. No gun song to do when you can't test that. No nothing for Chronic Law can't test that. No Mosquito can't test that. That is the number one line ever in a music. Nothing can beat that. Wickedest lyrical. Not no more lyrical than that. I remember say a God level you go when you said the most high. So which lyrics are come bigger than God? You see me as you know? Yeah. So me I show you say the Cartel spliff them bigger than the Ziggy and the Jimmy and the Bob. No joke. Like I see what Spice I say again.